Okay, the next thing I want to do is just take a little bit more of this white fondant to make the eyes. Actually, this could be both of the eyes right here. It's a little large, so I'm just going to take this little piece, just little tiny, and we roll both of these into balls. And then if you just kind of roll them back and forth once, you'll get more of an oval shape. So just take that and pop that right on there. Okay, and then you can just kind of push those down a little bit. Okay, then we need a little bit more black. Just a tiny, tiny bit of black. And roll this into a ball. A little bit more. So it's less than half of what the white was. And it's just sticking by itself. If it wasn't sticking, then what I would need to do is just place a little bit of water on there first, but it's sticking. Okay, and then for the mouth, just you could either do a line or you can just do small balls again, very small. And we'll just put like one here. And you could, of course, use royal icing for this too if you prefer. See, these are good size. That one right there, I might take that one off. That one's a little big. Oops. Okay, I'm going to take, I don't like the way these two bigger ones look, so I'm going to take these two off. And just make them smaller. See, that's also the nice thing about fondant. You could take it off like that. If you had piped the black royal icing too big on here, you can't get that off. Because it would smear. Okay, that's that. And then let's take a little bit of orange for the nose. Okay. And probably about half that. Okay, so I've got a ball, and if I just roll it with my finger like this, it'll make it more into a cone, like this. And then I'll need probably a little bit of water this time. And actually, if you take your back of a paintbrush and just kind of make a little hole there, and then place the water right in there. Use the back of the brush to get this off. And just kind of push down slightly. And the carrot, I like to take something, you could either use a toothpick or this is just a little knife type tool, and just make little lines on it for the carrot. Okay, like so. Alright, so then we could do the black buttons. Okay, so I went a little larger to smaller, or you can do them all the same size, whatever you prefer.